Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed the chain rule and its related problems. So my dear students, next we will move to the next concept called derivative of the implicit functions. Okay, derivatives. How to do the differentiation or the derivatives of the implicit functions. First of all, we have to know implicit functions. What is the meaning of the implicit functions? Okay, implicit functions are there. So first, explicit functions are, see, a relationship between x and y. The relationship between x and y is expressed in that it is easy to solve for y. So write y is equals to f of x. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ so y equals f of x ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ this type of functions are called as explicit functions ಅಂತೀವಿ. So it's all which function is not explicit function, that is implicit function. Okay, so it is very difficult to understand like that. So you ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಏನಂತ, so I will tell examples. So first of all ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x y is equals to 2x plus 100, y is equals to sin x plus cos square x. Okay, so like this, like that is there now. So these two are called explicit function. Y equals to x terms constants ಇದೆ, explicit functions ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay na? So implicit functions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, implicit functions means like this. So xy plus x square y plus 100 is equals to 0. This type of functions is known as implicit functions. Implicit functions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ we can't solve y is equals to solve ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು x y ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ, xy plus x square y cube plus 100 ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. we can't solve y is equals to ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So it is difficult, you can write, it is difficult to write. ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು somewhat difficult. Okay, so that's why this type of functions is known as the implicit functions ಅಂತೀವಿ, implicit functions ಅಂತೀವಿ. So how to do the differentiation for these implicit functions, so let us discuss in this video. Okay, some problems. So in next video we will see the next problems. Okay, so first problem, we will see the first problems. See my dear students, this is the next problem. Example 24. Example 24. This is one of the important question for 1 marks and 2 marks. 2 times asked for the main examination. Very very important question. Okay. So find dy by dx if x minus y is equals to pi. Okay. So answer. X minus y is equals to pi. So ಈ y ತೆಗೆದು ಆದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, don't do that. Okay, directly do. So differentiate with respect to x. Okay, with respect to x, write down like this. WRT already told now, with respect to x, this is the differentiate. Okay, apply d by dx in LHS x minus y and d by dx of pi. What is pi sir? Pi means constant. Put it. So illu dy by dx ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, illu d by dx ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. d by dx both sides d by dx ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So apply. So spread ಮಾಡಿ d by dx of x, dx by dx minus d by dx of y, dy by dx is equals to d by dx of pi is what? d by dx of pi is what? Pi is a constant term. Derivative of any constant is what? 0. So what is our intention? dy by dx no, dy by dx no negative. So therefore dy by dx is equals to minus is at over plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So dx cancel ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 is equals to ಈ dy by dx is at ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So dy by dx is equals to 1. So this is the answer. So many students confusing minus 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. It is very very difficult to fill up. Very very important question. ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, leave it. This is answer. dy by dx equals to what? 1. dy by dx is equals to 1. This is about the example 24. Next we move to the next question. See next question. Exercise 5.3. This is exercise 5.3 problems and exercise 5.3 problems. First question. 2x plus 3y sin x. Had to find a dy by dx for all problems in this exercise. Okay. Not written, I had understood. Find the dy by dx of the following problem. First problem, second problem, and so on. Okay. First problem. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Differentiate. Both sides dy by dx. dy by dx of 2x plus 3y is equals to dy by dx of sin x. dy by dx illo apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ dy by separate it one by one separate it. So dy by dx of 2x plus dy by dx of 3y is equals to dy by dx of sin x is what? Already told, very important. Cos x formulas are very important formulas. dy by dx of 2x direct formula is there, so many times told. dy by dx of 2x is what? 2 plus dy by dx of 3y is what? 3. Make it out. 3 now already agadi. Y ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx is equals to cos x. Okay na? So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx. So ಈ 2 ನ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈ 2 ನ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 dy by dx is equals to what? 3 dy by dx is equals to cos x minus 2. Okay, we want only dy by dx now. So dy by dx is equals to dy by dx is equals to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. Cos x minus 2 divided by 3. Okay na? Next we will move to the next second question. 2x plus 3y is equals to sin y. 2x plus 3y is equals to sin y. So therefore idenagutte antandre nodi ivaga differentiate. Okay, see, differentiate okay, with respect to x. Okay na? So both sides dy by dx ಮಾಡಿ. dy by dx okay, dy by dx of 2x plus 3y is equals to dy by dx of sin y. Okay, this is very important problem. Why? Because ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? dy by dx of 2x plus 3y is equals to dy by dx of sin y. Now separate it. So dy by dx of 2x plus dy by dx of 3y is equals to this is very important. See, dy by dx of sin y, if sin x is there, dy by dx of sin x is cos x. Now dy by dx of sin y cos y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. but ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು. again you have to do the differentiation. This is nothing but the chain rule. So sin x ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ sin x ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾವು? sin x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dx by dx ಮತ್ತೆ x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dx by dx ಒಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. that's why we are not doing. but here sin y ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin y ಗೆ cos y ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. again you have to do the differentiation for the y ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. so therefore dy by dx. This is the procedure. Sin y, dy by dx of sin y is what? Cos y into dy by dx. Cos y into dy by dx. Learn this type of techniques. Okay, over next. Dy by dx of 2x is what? 2. Dy by dx of 3y is what? 3 into constant 3 y dy by dx is equals to cos y into dy by dx. Okay na? Over next. Here also one dy by dx is another dy by dx is there. Both 2 dy by dx is there. Okay, this simplify ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು 2 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 is equals to cos y dy by dx minus okay, cos y dy by dx minus 3 into dy by dx. Okay na? So 2 same dy by dx common is there, no? Common make the common dy by dx into cos y minus 3. Okay na? So it is adjusted. So 2 divided by cos y minus 3 is equals to dy by dx. Otherwise dy by dx bರ್ತದೆ. So therefore what is the value of dy by dx now? Dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by cos y minus 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So like that we have to simplify. So my dear students, like that we have to simplify. This is one of the important question. What is sin y? Dy by dx of sin y cos y into dy by dx. Okay, next we'll move to the next problem called 3. See next question number 3. ax plus by square is equals to cos y. So differentiate with respect to x. Okay, both sides dy by dx. dy by dx of ax plus by square is equals to dy by dx of cos y. Okay na? dy by dx of cos y. Okay, simplify it, separate it. dy by dx of ax plus dy by dx of by square is equals to dy by dx of cos y. What is cos x? Dy by dx of cos x minus sin x now. So here also cos y minus sin y. Cos x ke sin x now, sin y. But don't stop up here. Again you have to differentiate y. Last problem tarane same. So y ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So dy by dx. y ಮತ್ತೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx. Okay na? Here dy by dx of ax is what? A. Familiar one. dy by dx of by square, b is a constant. Keep it aside ಗಾಟಿ y square ಮಾಡಿ. dy by dx of y square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. dy by dx of x square ತರ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x square ಏನು? dy by dx of x square 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here also dy by dx of y square also 2y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2y. But don't stop. y ಬಂದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ y ಯಾವಾಗ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, y ಎಲ್ಲನ ಬರಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್, y ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ y ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. So this is very important technique my dear students. So y square is 2y into dy by dx is equals to minus sin y into dy by dx. Understood or not? So like that we have to follow. Over. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx ಇದೆ, ಅದರ dy by dx ಇದೆ ನಾ ಇದು ಸೆಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದು. 2by dy by dx plus sin y dy by dx is equals to minus a. ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus a. Very easy now. Next dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ dy by dx into ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 2by plus sin y, 2by plus sin y is equals to what? Minus a. Okay, minus a. Understood? So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So therefore dy by dx is equals to minus a divided by 2by plus sin y. So this is the answer. Understood or not? So my dear students, like that we have to simplify. Okay, so dy by dx, this is one of the important question. Next we will move to the next question. See, already written example 25 now. Example 25. So y plus sin y is equals to cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. You write r differentiate. Okay. So d by dx of y plus sin y is equals to d by dx of cos x. D by dx of separate it. d by dx of y dy by dx plus d by dx of sin y is equals to d by dx of cos x. You have a familiar formula of cos x minus sin x. Next dy by dx plus dy by dx of sin y. sin x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos x ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ cos y ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ dy by dx is equals to minus x. over here another dy by dx, another dy. First dy by common, make it common, dy by dx. So dy by dx into 1 plus cos y is equals to 1 plus cos y is equals to minus x. Okay na? So like that you have to simplify. Next, so dy by dx is equals to what? Now tell me what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equals to minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos. So this is the answer. Okay na? So my dear students, like that you have to simplify the problems. Okay, so if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts means please comment in this below video. Okay, thank you my dear students.